Hi guys,
I am Richard.
and I'm Richard Song. Welcome to our channel, 2xe TV, your extraordinary easy guitar buddies.
Times 2.
Hi
Hi,
mga
mga
ka-2xe. So, ituturo namin sa inyo ngayon ay kung paano i-play ang 4 love songs na may 4 chords. So, ito po ang pag-play sa mga songs.
There's a lover's mood tonight as I look back over my shoulder. All the stars are shining bright, just like the night when I used to hold her. Look at her and have to smile as we go driving for a while. Her blowing in the open window of my car, and as we go the traffic lights, watch them glimmer in your eyes in the darkness of the evening. Tulala sa isang tabi at di mapakali, ating nakaraan minumuni-muni, di lubos maisip bakit nagkalayo. Kaya tayo ngayon isang bigo. I found love for me, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were that someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell in love, fighting against all odds. I know I'll be alright this time. So yun po, no? Yung chords na ginamit doon is G, E minor, C, tsaka
At D.
D lang po.
Basic chords lang po
So,
yun.
4 songs, 4 chords na po yun. So,
4 very easy na chords.
pwede nyo po yun practicein para sa transition nyo sa
Opo, para
pag-strum.
maka-shift kayo ng maayos.
Madali lang po siya na chords. Yung basic chords lang po.
G, C, D. G, C, E minor, C, D. G, C.
Yan po. So, maraming salamat po ulit sa panonood sa amin sa 2xe TV.
Your extraordinary easy guitar buddies times 2.
God bless po sa inyo. Stay safe.
Salamat.
Hanggang sa susunod.
Salamat sa panonood.
Salamat.